Manage customer sales orders from creation to fulfillment by aligning pricing, taxation, inventory demand, and financial controls within a single, structured sales workflow. Sales fulfillment begins in Sales and Invoicing, the central hub for managing revenue and customer commitments. This dashboard provides a high-level view of sales performance to drive informed executive decision-making. The order listing organizes the sales pipeline in 2 stages from initial drafts to final closed orders. Advanced filters enable precise tracking of specific sales records based on customers, dates, or quotation numbers. Creating a new order initiates the formal documentation of a customer's purchase request and delivery expectations. Sales book assignments determine the accounting sequence and document formatting used for the transaction. Customer and contact person fields link the order to specific CRM profiles for accurate communication. Date assignments establish the operational timeline for inventory allocation and logistics planning. Business terms and payment type define the credit period and financial settlement method for the sale. Shipping and billing addresses ensure physical goods and financial documents reach the correct locations. Delivery and pickup types specify the logistics model, whether handled by the company or customer. Invoice generation determines the trigger point for billing, such as during the delivery phase. Reference numbers provide a link to external purchase orders or manual tracking systems. Item details capture the specific products, quantities, and agreed-upon unit prices for the transaction. Assigning general ledger accounts and profit centers ensures accurate financial reporting and cost center tracking. Tax calculation settings determine if the unit price includes or excludes statutory tax obligations. Tax groups and withholding tax configurations enforce regional compliance and automated tax liability calculations. The item summary provides a granular breakdown of net amounts, taxes, and total receivables. Bank account and price of supply fields facilitate currency conversion and treasury management. Salesperson attribution enables commission tracking and sales performance analysis for the internal team. Operational remarks provide a space for special instructions or contextual notes for downstream fulfillment teams. The financial summary validates the final transaction value against established credit limits and pricing rules. Standardized terms and conditions templates ensure legal compliance and consistent business agreements. Submitting the order updates inventory demand and triggers the next phase of the fulfillment lifecycle.
Thank you for watching. Connect with us to see this in action.